This video shows how to capture game data using the Football Stats app for iPhones and iPads. It uses data from an under-13s game between the Breakers on the right and the Wolves on the left. Launch the app to get going. View the list of teams and choose the one that you want to add a game for. Choose the games and then add a new game with the plus on the top right. Specify the details for the opposition, their name, in this case the Wolves, and their colour, so that their details are shown appropriately. Tap the Start button to begin. Note the blue dot that shows up in this demo to indicate gestures. That will not occur when you're using the app. To start with, the Breakers are on the left. We fix that by hitting Swap Ends to switch the teams around. The Wolves begin with a small pass forward and then a long pass back. Capture the kickoff with a swipe right, another swipe right for the little pass, and then a third swipe right for the pass back. Each swipe is to the right to show that it is a first touch by a Wolves player. The ball moves to where that first touch occurred and it turns purple to show that Wolves have possession. As you add each new event, it shows up across the bottom of the screen with newest events on the left. Under pressure, the Wolves player plays long and the ball goes out over the goal line for a goal kick. Tap on the right hand side where the ball has gone out to show that the ball is now in possession of the Breakers for a goal kick. The keeper restarts play by throwing it out to one of the Breakers on the right side of the field. Swipe left to show the Breakers threw out and received the ball. In scrappy play, possession changes several times until the Wolves put the ball out again for a goal kick. Capture the changes of possession by swiping left and right as each team regains possession until the ball goes out of play for a goal kick. Notice in the event history along the bottom, each of the intercepts and turnovers. All of the intercepts and turnovers are shown as yellow events. The keeper restarts play, throwing the ball out to a player on the right. Swipe left where the keeper throws it and where it is first received. The Breakers get a touch, but it is intercepted by the Wolves, who get an opportunity to score in scrappy play, but the keeper finally makes a save. Swipe left and right to capture the first touches, where they happen and when they happen, until the ball is finally saved by the keeper. Swipe down to confirm the fact that the keeper has caught the ball. Note the keeper catch event, which is marked in pink in the event history at the bottom of the screen. The Breakers keeper restarts play. It is intercepted by a Wolves player who kicks it out over the right sideline. You don't need to use a gesture to capture the keeper's kick out because it's not their first touch, but you do need a first touch for the Wolves player and tap on the right side to show where it went out. Swipe left to show where the Breakers put the ball back into play and swipe left again for the first touch of the player receiving it. Swipe right for the Wolves' first touch and then left and right until the ball finally goes out of play. These actions are shown in the app. You can see the ball finally going out of play on the right, in line with where the user taps once in the out of bounds area. The Breakers take advantage of the ball going out of play to do a substitution. Capture the substitution by doing a long press anywhere on the field. That shows a set of options. Choose substitution and indicate the team that made the substitution, and the event is added to the event history down the bottom. The Breakers restart play. They take a first touch, put it down the field where it's intercepted by the Wolves. The Wolves attempt to take it forward, but it is again intercepted by the Breakers, who push forward, take a shot and score. Swipe left for the kick in again. Swipe left for the first touch, then right for the Breakers intercept. Swipe left and right to capture the various first touches leading up to the successful shot at goal. Tap and hold where the shot was taken to capture the goal. This brings up a menu of options and you can choose the goal from that menu. Indicate which team the goal is awarded to, and the goal event will be recorded at the bottom of the screen. Wolves restart play passing forward and then all the way back to their goal line. They keep it in play, but the Breakers intercept, make a pass, take a shot and miss. Capture these events by right swiping again, and right swiping a third time for the Wolves' first touches. Left swipe for the intercept, left swipe for the receive of the ball, swipe up for the shot, and then tap over the end zone where the ball goes out. Swiping upward for a shot is nice and quick, which matches the speed with which shots happen in the game. The shot is awarded to whichever team was in possession at the time the shot was taken. In this case, the shot was taken by the Breakers, so the event at the bottom is shown in orange to indicate that it was a shot, surrounded by blue to indicate that it was by the Breakers. Here is another phase of play, starting with a play out by the goalkeeper, a turnover to the Breakers, a sequence of passes, each captured by a first touch, swipe left, and culminating in a shot. The events are captured with a swipe right for the restart, another swipe right for a first touch, a swipe left for the intercept, another swipe left for the pass backwards to another Breakers player, a swipe left for the pass forward, a swipe left for the cross, and a swipe up for the shot, and a tap in the end zone to show that the ball went out for a goal kick. Although it's a bit artificial for this game, I'm going to show you how to finish. Just tap and hold on the screen anywhere on the field. When the menu comes up, select Finish and the game data capture will be complete. At that point, you can go back to the game and upload the data to the server so that it can be analysed and shared on the web. That wraps up this demonstration. Hopefully you've learned how to capture game data and upload it to the server to be shared with the rest of your team. If you've got any other questions, please visit the website. There's a discussion forum, and I'm very happy to answer any other questions you've got about how to capture the nuanced details of your games.